Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this double-breasted vintage top. Okay, these are the main chest 44, shoulder 18, sleeve 12, length 33, slam 19. Okay, first of all, we'll take our 2 inches for the hemming allowance, 2 inches for the hemming allowance. Then after then, first of all, I did not actually fold this stuff, right, because of it has a double lapel, so the lapel was not covering enough, so I had to refold it again so that I can get what I was looking for. Now I got what I was looking for. You understand? So this is the correct folding for the double lapel vintage top. Okay, I'll be taking the measurement now. So what I actually took here, the length is 32. The length is 32. That's what you use for the length, because the person is kind of fat and has big tummy, so that's why I'm using 32, so that it can be able to cover him. And after you mark your 32, that's it, 32, you draw the lines together, join the lines together. After joining the lines together, you cut off the front, because this is actually the front piece. The folding is about 6 inches. This folding for this top is about 6 inches, so you should know the folding is about 6 inches. So after doing that, the next thing you do, you fold the back. Now we should always note that our back is always shorter than the front, like the front overlaps the back. So now you know we are doing a double lapel, so the lapping is going to be like a little bigger. Now this, just watch the video. As you're watching, you will get it clearly. So now we'll be taking 4 inches away from the back. You understand? That's the 4 inches. We'll mark 4 inches. After marking the 4 inches, see the way I'm marking it just now, 4 inches. I'm taking 4 inches. Then we are left with at least 2 inches. I'll be 1.5 inches on top the cloth. So we'll check if it's lapping well. You understand? Because you have to be sure that when you open it, when you fold it, it is folding. It is giving you that vintage vibe, that suit collar kind of vibe. So we mark our 4 inches, then we adjust. We make sure that everywhere is balanced, because this is a Jokoso material. It does not start a place. When we mark the 4 inches, then we cut off. We cut off the back. After cutting off the back, the next thing we do, we adjust the back to meet, adjust the front to meet with the back. Then when the back, then we mark our 3 inches. Then we slant our shoulder, because that's the shoulder slant. We slant our shoulder. Then we cut it off. Then we adjust it back to where it came from. Now we're about to take the measurement for the neck and the armhole. So our normal folding, we used to place 0.5 folding on top the front from the back, 0.5. Take note. Then now I don't normally cut neck in full, so I just mark 1.5 and 4 inches. And I have a pattern which I use in cutting the neck. I believe I will have to do that for you guys in our next video, how to cut a perfect neck. Then use the pattern and be cutting your neck so that you don't have issues while cutting neck. Our shoulder is 9 inches. If we want to get an armhole, our armhole is 8.5. We minus half inches from our shoulder measurement. We now have 8.5. Now to take some notes, when you are measuring your shoulder, do not take your shoulder from the starting of that 4 inches that we took. You take it where you know that the back starts from. That's where you take it from. Are you seeing it? Where the back starts from, that's where you take it from. Then our armhole, you minus half inches from the shoulder measurement. That's where you get your armhole. Now, these are things that you have to take note of. Not because of one or two, but just take note of this particular one. When you want to measure your shoulder, do not start from where the 4 inches we gave. Now, we want to measure our body. We have to add that 4 inches plus the 11. The chest is 44, so it's 11 we have. So plus 1.5 inches for ease allowance. Just the way I wrote it here, that's what you will take. That's simple as A, B, C, D. Now we take 1 inches deep so that we can have a good armhole curve. You understand? Just the way you are seeing like this, we take then we use your armhole ruler. If you cannot use your armhole ruler, you can use your freehand sketching. I just decided to use an armhole ruler because of one or two, just to make it easy for you guys. But I normally use my hand. You understand? So, but use your armhole ruler to get that fine curve. The next thing you cut, please take note for the neck while you are cutting, always lift the front up so that you can be able to cut it, not so that you don't cut the back and the front together. You don't cut the back and the front together. Lift the front up, cut the front first, then you cut the back. Same thing goes to the armhole side. You cut the back first together with the front, then you see the curve. You don't cut the curve together with the back, you cut only the front for the curve. Take note, you cut only the front for the curve. That's the way you are seeing on the video. Pick only the front side and cut the curve out, then leave the back like that. That is how it will be. It is as simple as ABCD. Like this now, our double-breasted vintage top is finished and is ready. What is remaining is just the armhole. So we measure our armhole to be 13 inches while we measured it there. Now we come back to the sleeve. We mark 4 inches, our normal 4 inches. We mark again. We join the lines together. After joining the lines together, our armhole was 13 inches. So we'll be taking 12 inches if we minus 1 inches from the armhole. So that's 12 inches. Then our sleeve is 11. We have 2 inches allowance. Then we mark all this and join the lines together, the sleeve and the hemming allowance, so that this is just the way you are seeing it here. Then our round sleeve is 9 inches, which is 18. We slant the edge. Remember, take note, you must slant the edge. Then we join the 12 to the 9 inches. Then we do our curve. You understand? Just our normal armhole curve to get the arm. It's as simple as ABCD. Cutting a vintage shirt or a double-breasted shirt, it is just simple, just a little bit different while cutting the front pattern. So after done cutting it, what you have to do, sorry for the camera placing, you have to place the front, the other hand on this one. Then we remove 1 inch deep from the side we are going to be cutting. I will show you. I'm sorry for the camera play. Okay, now see, this is what we did. Now I'll bring the one I cut off so that I can show you, because I removed the 1 inch deep. Then you must have this something that look like this wavy kind of stuff. See, we removed the 1 inch, then we did the curve. So that is it. Thank you very much for today's